friends, and welcome to the last day of introductions for Mama Elephant's June release. Today we are introducing Big Boo. This set has the cutest haunted house you will ever see, as well as 4 different ghosts, lots of images to decorate your scene, and 2 sentiments. And of course there are matching creative cuts available. Now let's get to coloring this super cute set in. This is what the images look all stamped out, and I will be showing you how I colored the ghost as well as the witch's hat and a candy in my video today. For this card I wanted to mix it up a little and use maybe not so standard Halloween colors. I chose to use 2 different kinds of pinks as well as oranges and some yellow for the stars. I am starting with coloring in the ghost. For this I will be using C markers, so that is the cool grays in Copics. And when I want something to appear white, I add the shadows going from a 3 marker, so in this case C3, all the way down to the C00. But this also works for different colors. If you want something to appear a slight tinge of blue or a slight tinge of yellow, that works as well. And of course the ghosts also need some rosy cheeks. I always use the E93 marker for this. For the witch's hat, I am choosing the warm grey markers and I'm starting at W5. For the light pinks in my card, I am using R20, R11, R00 and R000. And for the hot pink, I am using R06, R04 and R02. And after adding some gel pen highlights, that finishes my coloring for today. Now let's start to put our card together. I'm starting with a standard sized white card base and covering it in some pattern paper. I've cut a pink panel that is slightly smaller than the card base, and I am cutting the edge with the Book Edges Creative Cuts. All across my panel I've made some score lines using a scoring tool to add some interest. Next, I'm distressing my panel with some distress ink in the tea dye color to make it look like it's an old piece of paper. Over top, I'm using a pigment ink to create a cloudy sky to go behind my scene. I'm adding some darker and lighter splatters to give the panel some interest. Covering the top of my panel with the stencil because that's where I want to stamp the sentiment. Now it's time to put everything together. This is also one of my favorite parts of the process. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available from tomorrow, June 15th, and the next release will be in September with our big annual release, and I will see you then for more videos. Bye!